coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yeah, man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband. All over the world, the girls them want one. Them see the hard man and act, so we so strong. We mix up the roads, now one of we got tan. Well militant man as
welcome once and once. All viewers and subscribers, welcome once again to another episode of Life of King. But you know, viewers and subscribers, before we start, we just have to do the due diligence and make you know, say, anything shared here is not an attempt of aggrandizement of certain lifestyle or criminality or anything like that. It's just a matter of sharing, so that if by me sharing, one person cannot make some of the stupid decisions I have made, it would have all been worth it. Because you don't know, we at Xpressionz, we're all about healthy edutainment. That's something there. See? So, that being said, forward. Welcome once again to another episode of Life of King. Yeah? So viewers and subscribers, you remember the last time we talked and me that showed some drama about stadium and the whole lifestyle of, you know, living in and around National Stadium. But, you know, it go even farther than that, you know, people. It go even farther than that, because the skills we have learned back then at National Stadium, we export all over the country. You understand? So what I say is, anywhere the big dance there, anywhere the big stage show there, you can bet your last penny we are there. And amongst the best dressed. But guess what? We are about collecting for go in the people them show where we not promote, we not have nothing to do with. Yeah, it so happened that all one place used to uptown the name Mirage. Oh God, man. You see for weekend time when we go on Mirage. Oh dear God, man. Let me tell you something. 100% silk from our neck to our ankle and ballet and foot, sometimes two different color, because we buy two pair and just make sure that we wear the two pair go to one party. We wear one foot of blue and one foot of red, or depending on the color coordination where we are wear. You see? Yeah, man. But with all of that, yes, when we go there, hello, sir. We have a style where we call stamp transfer. Where all a man, they just get a cold beer and rub against him, man, and one man pay, go in. And from him come out, him transfer the stamp to our next man. The man, the pay, go in and get a fresh stamp coming out. And before you know it, the whole of me and my friend them in, and we are collect from other people for transfer them stamp to, and get them in too. Because that's the thing there, because we have to have money for flash, you know. Yeah, man. And you think, them they are just leasing them, because me I tell you about where I left you so. Charter vehicle go all Mobile. Yeah, a big show. Some of the big name brand annual show them we are hear about. Oh God, man. We shell them down. Not normal. And party hard too. And find some good girl too. And all these things. Yeah. Hey, you remember all one where we have, you know? We used to keep somewhere down in St. Anne. It was some big mogul in the jewelry trade. Used to keep a show down there. People, let me tell you something. When you go to that show there, the liquor truck them park up on the beach. Yeah? The liquor truck them park up on the beach, and you're allowed to have 2 cups in your hand all at once, and you just ask them to fill them, because it's like a draft beer kind of thing. Them not getting a buckle, because you know a seaside, and them not promoting a broken glass on the beach. Yeah? And me I tell you, say, hold a steer. For the young people, them who don't know a steer, when me I talk about, and a steering in a car is a whole a cow. A spin over a open fire upon the beach. People just a slice off all the way they want, because guess what? It's what you call all inclusive. You see? So once you get your entry in, anything in there you drink and eat to your heart's content. You see? And if you tell your people, me just a boom and we buy 1 ticket. And we just a boom and me can't give me print and then just print me 50. And we charter vehicle go down and watch it. And people are not normal within 30 minutes. 30 tickets sell, and we are sell them time for half price. And may I tell you about a grand one, because it was expensive show them time then, all inclusive, you know. So when I tell you about grand, I just show now where then I go about 20, 30 grand. You see it? Yeah, man, and I tell you, say, within no time, man, we pocket full of money and we up on the beach, said we are floss and then dance and I enjoy the party, because we save ticket for ourselves too, and we entourage we carry, you know. Because we are carry we girl them, we friend them, who are going to help us sell ticket, who fi help defend the thing if anything go on. Plus the vehicle, man. You see me? Because we charter and vehicle for go down there, we are carrying go party him too and floss him, because that's not really our expense, but I really our expense, you see it? Yeah, man. So may I tell you people, that was a lifestyle then. You see all, when you go a dance, a house, a lay one, some big place and some name brand place. I mean to tell you people, yo, and nothing pretty, because we in the best of the best show. Not to mention, with two auspicious tertiary institutions at the time, UTech and UWI. Them used to keep a thing named Carnival at UWI, Ring Road kind of thingy. And let me tell you something, people. I remember one time we go to UWI Carnival, and the amount of ticket me and my charge take, we have a tie shot and stuff ticket in the back. You know? And lo and behold, people, as my charge here come out, it's a swarm of police grab him with him whole line back full of ticket. I mean ticket so it bulge out, so it's evident. You know what I mean? Ticket could have full of carton box, people. And let me tell you something. We didn't know when I figure out where to do, because them all him good now, you know. Khaki suit, they don't know, you know. We are say rat in a jail this straight, you know. Hello, sir. In the big crowd, the inspiration come and the charge just grab the shot with him tight and just yank the knot. And with the yank, him yank the knot, him just do one thing, so same time. And make me tell you something. Ticket goes so whoosh to the ground. And by the time ticket goes so whoosh to the ground, let me tell you, at Jamaica where the people just come so whoosh down on the ticket. And before you say who they are, the police make sure if you hold on for them going service revolver to make sure say you know last in the melee. And before they know it, them alone turn up, them if you scramble to grab two people to get two tickets for themselves too. Because guess what? None of them they drop out of Jesus' pocket. So it was a drama for we them time then people. Just a joke for go crash party. Yeah man, go crash any party. You see all when it come to Christmas time, people. Yo, I know not normal. You have here Jamaica have them party. You have Burger King have them party. And we're not going to no free ad. But and then you have one of our past leaders from West Kingston, we keep one of the biggest buffet style party in a national arena at Christmas time for all them constituents and them supporters. People, let me tell you something. Them party there and a regular party, them party there you have to have suit and tie. And let me tell you something, the wrong thing them go do. Because when you put on the suit and tie now, you know, people, the liquor them put out on some table, you know, in a rows in the national arena. Yeah, so all you needed to do was to walk past the table and your jacket blow open, but when it closed, a few bottles of liquor would be mysteriously missing from the spot. But because liquor no fun, nobody and everything free car, you know, the boss blinds up here for everything, so nobody need to worry. People, let me tell you something. Annually, I kid you not, the average youth from Swallowfield when that ball they done, you see me? The Edward Siaga ball. Let me tell you something, people. We have our 3-4 case of liquor we had. I'm not talking about the big buckle them where we have about Christmas morning. Some blue nun and some Lord Roberts gin and Dan Camilo and yo, let me tell you, a beer top shelf we go for, you know. But I know that's the thing. I remember one keep down one place in Curfew Place for Berger. Let me tell you something, people. We going at the people them place as usual, without ticket, without invitation, but we amongst the best dressed guests there. And all of the hottest set of girl them a look our way. Remember me tell you, and before you say who they are, 2 Swallowfield man in the kitchen, wanna serve soup and wanna serve the food. And I can remember specifically a man coming in the line and had asked for a curry goat, and the man tell him, say, no, me mean people the pot have half pot of curry goat and the whole pot of rice, same way I'm walking about 2 pot of rice. And the man look on the man up and down and say, yo big man, you can't get no curry goat, it's kind of limited, you want a soup? The man said, no man, kiss out me narrate, worried. He imagine 35 years of Berger. And I me kill the goat and skin him and red and make. Yes, I will tell him figure so before he could have done talk. 2 man pass him, cause 2 man just get 2 dish towel and you know them big everlasting pot. All of them come with 2 heavy angle on this side. And 2 man just grab 2 sides of the curry goat pot and walk past him. 2 other man walk past with the rice pot. And before you say who they are the soup pot, I follow them. I come out of the place. I saw the man them used to stay there. And with all of that, we face it like chink. And we don't care who for woman or the hottest girl, the best dressed girl we want. Remember me tell you, because we consider ourselves, them time that we apart with some man up top, we call ourselves celebrity crew. Yes, man. And let me tell you something. Some name brand man in a celebrity, you know, but them man they nobody indulge in our little something them, but we and them roll cause we are the muscle behind them when them dep on the road. You see me? Man also one DJ we used to go yes. And all one next a short one we used to drive on Benz. How me for tell you, anyway with that celebrity. Hang on. Yeah, man. So you don't know, and let me tell you something. That make me have to big up man like me and Miser, man like Scarlet, Devils. You see, chippy face, the say word, boy. Yeah, Branda, you don't know. Lucifer the nuts man, yeah. Fire, you large, and Losa. People, hear me I telling you something. I will have more things to share, but here we go on. Life of King, so forward. Stay tuned.
Where me come from, no matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I could America or I could England. Man, yeah, man. So I could never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I could Canada or I could Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man, advanced like internet broadband all over the world.